Ever wondered how to make the perfect butter chicken at home? Butter chicken, or murg makhani, hails from the vibrant kitchens of North India and has captured taste buds around the globe. With its irresistible combination of marinated chicken enveloped in a creamy tomato sauce, infused with butter, cream, and an array of spices, it's no wonder this dish is a worldwide favorite. In this video, we'll journey through a simple, step-by-step guide to recreate this creamy, flavorful delight right in your kitchen. Ready to embark on this culinary journey? Stay tuned. Before we begin, gather all the ingredients needed for this recipe. For the marination, we'll need about a pound of chicken, a cup of yogurt, the juice of 1 lemon, a teaspoon each of turmeric powder, garam masala, and chili powder. This will give the chicken a tangy, spicy kick that's the heart of this dish. Moving on to the gravy, we'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 finely chopped onions, 4 cloves of garlic, a ginger piece about 1 inch long, 4 fresh tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of cashews, a teaspoon each of red chili powder, garam masala, and sugar. We'll also need salt to taste, a tablespoon of kasuri methi for that distinctive North Indian flavour, and a 1/4 cup of cream to add richness and balance out the spices. These ingredients will come together to create a butter chicken that's flavourful, creamy, and utterly mouth-watering. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's move on to the marinating process. Marination is key to infusing the chicken with flavours. Imagine the chicken as a blank canvas, eagerly waiting to absorb the symphony of spices and aromas we're about to introduce. We begin by combining our chicken pieces with a tantalizing mixture of yogurt, ginger, garlic, and a blend of spices. This mixture acts as a flavour bridge, allowing the chicken to soak up all of the marvellous tastes and fragrances. Now, it's time for the chicken to rest. This isn't just any nap, it's a flavour-infusing siesta that lasts a minimum of 30 minutes. While our chicken is marinating, it's absorbing all the delicious flavours, which will create a depth of taste in our final dish. With our chicken marinating, we can now prepare the buttery gravy. The true soul of butter chicken lies in its rich, creamy gravy. It's where the magic happens, a symphony of flavours that dances on your palate. Let's unravel the secret to this luscious sauce. We start by melting butter in a pan over medium heat. Once it's bubbling, we add finely chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger. These form the aromatic base of our gravy. We sauté them until they become golden brown, infusing the butter with their delicious essence. Next, we introduce diced tomatoes and cashews to the mix. The tomatoes lend a tangy note, while the cashews add creaminess. We stir them together and let the ingredients cook until the tomatoes are soft and the cashews have absorbed the flavours. Now we blend this mixture into a velvety paste, creating a luscious canvas for our spices. We return it to the pan and add our spices, letting them bloom in the warmth of the gravy. With our gravy ready, we're almost there. Now, it's time to bring everything together. The marinated chicken, rich with flavours, is cooked to perfection. As it sizzles and turns golden, your kitchen will be filled with an irresistible aroma. This chicken is then lovingly introduced to our creamy, spicy gravy, where the 2 elements unite to create a harmony of taste. But we're not done yet. This culinary symphony is finished with a generous splash of cream, adding an extra touch of richness. A sprinkle of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves lends a unique aromatic finish. Now for the grand finale, serving. Butter chicken pairs beautifully with warm, fluffy naan bread or a mound of steamed basmati rice. And there you have it, delicious homemade butter chicken. Enjoy your meal.